Hi guys, so today I am going to show you how to make a slip knot. This is a part of my beginner series, my beginner crochet series, and this is part 1, so I hope you enjoy. But first I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Akia and I am the owner and designer for Iconic Trends. So let's get started. First, you just need some yarn, and you just wrap it around your hand or your 2 fingers, and then you'll wrap it around again. So then you'll have 2, just like that. Take your hook, insert it under the first loop, and then with the hook you're pulling the second loop through the first, just like that. Then you will take your crochet hook, so it will be just like that. You could let go, and now you have created a slip knot. Okay, there are multiple ways that you can make a slip knot, but that is how I make my slip knot. So I hope it was easy. I'm gonna show you one other way, but they're all basically the same concept. So take your yarn, wrap it, because you can do it with your fingers as well, just like that. And now you have a slip knot. So that is another way that I see people creating their slip knot. And the slip knot is used to basically anchor your yarn onto your hook. So I hope that tutorial was good and you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.